Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super interesting, beautiful, and honestly, a bit magical, liwanag or light. Have you ever stopped to think about how light works? How it shapes our world? And how it makes everything around us come alive? Well, in this vlog, we're going to explore liwanag, the interactive spectra. So sit back, relax, and join me as we uncover the wonders of light and its incredible impact on our lives. Tara, simulan na natin! Let's start with a simple question. Ano nga ba ang liwanag? Light is energy. Yes, as in real, moving energy. It's what makes us see things, give us colors, and literally keeps the earth alive. But did you know light is more than just what we see? Liwanag is part of something called the electromagnetic spectrum, isang hanay ng iba't ibang anyo ng enerhiya na nagmumula sa liwanag. Some light is visible, like the colors of the rainbow. Pero, may mga liwanag na hindi natin nakikita tulad ng infrared at ultraviolet. Cool, right? This is the visible spectrum, ang makikita ng ating mata. Roy G. Biv, anyone? Pero lampas dyan, liwanag pa rin na nagdadala ng init, signal para sa Wi-Fi at maging sa mga remote controls natin. Ang liwanag ay may dalawang personalidad. Akalain mo yun? It can act like a wave or a particle. As a wave, it travels through space creating wavelengths. Kaya, may iba't ibang kulay. Mas mahabang wavelength para sa red at mas maikli para sa violet. On the other hand, light can act like a particle called a photon. Think of photons as tiny packets of energy traveling at the speed of light. Kapag ang photons ay tumama sa isang bagay like plants or your skin, iba't ibang reaksyon ang nangyayari. Ganito tayo nakakakita ng mga anino. Amazing, di ba? One of the most magical things about light is color. Kapag ang puting liwanag, gaya ng liwanag ng araw, ay tumama sa isang prism or raindrop, nahati ito sa iba't ibang kulay. Kaya may rainbow. But here's something cool. Ang kulay na nakikita natin sa isang bagay ay ang kulay na nasasalamin nito. Halimbawa, ang mga halaman ay mukhang green dahil sinisipsip nila ang ibang kulay at inire-reflect ang green. See, this green leaf absorbs blue and red light to create energy through photosynthesis. Tapos, green lang ang nire-reflect nito pabalik sa ating mata. Light isn't just for seeing things. It's also a source of energy. The sun's light powers our planet. It gives us heat, supports life through photosynthesis, and even fuels renewable energy through solar panels. Ang light energy ay ginagamit din sa science and technology, like lasers for surgery, fiber optics for internet, and even in satellites for space exploration. It's no wonder light is often called the giver of life. Did you know that the light we see from stars is millions of years old? Mind-blowing, right? Ang liwanag mula sa malalayong bituin ay nagbibigay sa atin ng impormasyon tungkol sa universe. Scientists use this light to study galaxies, black holes, and even the Big Bang. Kaya kahit sa pinakamadilim na bahagi ng kalawakan, may liwanag na nagbibigay ng sagot sa mga tanong natin tungkol sa pinagmula ng lahat. Light isn't just about science, it's also symbolic. Sa kultura natin, ang liwanag ay laging konektado sa pag-asa, kaalaman at inspirasyon. Tulad ng kandilang ito, kahit maliit, nagdadala ito ng init at liwanag sa kadiliman. Ganon din tayo. Each of us has the ability to shine and bring light into the lives of others. So, how do you share your light with the world? Liwanag, it's all around us, giving us life, energy, and meaning. Sa pamamagitan ng agham at simpleng pagmamasid, natutuklasan natin ang kahangahangang mundo ng liwanag. Pero, higit pa riyan, light is about hope and inspiration. Kaya't alalahanin natin na lahat tayo ay may liwanag na may babahagi sa iba. If you enjoyed this journey into Liwanag, the Interactive Spectra, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang next adventure natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Keep shining and I'll see you in our next vlog.